MEC, good morning to you.
Morning.
Why are you placing Tshwane under administration? What are the reasons?
Yeah, I think maybe we should phrase it properly. Because when you say administration, there's a lot of confusions there. What we're doing, we're intervening in Tshwane. And we are intervening in terms of section 139, subsection 1. That section has got 7 subsections. So I think the DA has not read our statement. If you read the statement we issued, we said we decided to invoke, and I'll come to that section, what it means. Section 139, subsection 1, read with section 54 of the Constitution. I'm coming there.
These are technicalities.
No, they are not. No. Hang on.
Let's not confuse the viewers. Let's just talk simple English.
Yeah, we're talking
What are the
simple.
bases for you intervening?
Okay, I want to come to the basis. Okay, firstly, you will know yourself, because you have ran all these stories about corruption in the city, multi-billion rand. We have written to the city on several occasions on those issues, and not just ourselves. Even our predecessor, MEC Maile, has exchanged several interactions and conversations, not just with the Tshwane Municipality, with all municipalities. Secondly, you will know that there's been irregular appointments of senior managers. The recent one being that of the head of emergency services. You know that the head of Metro Police is also said not to be having qualifications. There are several findings by the Auditor General which have not been attended to. They were about 187 findings by the AG, and amongst those there's a lot that are recurring, meaning nothing is being done about them. But there's been also service delivery related matters. So it's a number of issues that has led us to intervene.
Right.
And that is why I want you to understand, because it's not technical, this 139 subsection 1. It clearly states what is it that we can do, because that's what the DA misses. The DA speaks about section 139 subsection 2, but we can get to that. It's fine.
MEC, where is that process now?
The process required that the Provincial Executive Council, what otherwise known as the Provincial Cabinet, to take a decision. Decision has been taken. The 139 subsection 1 requires basically 2 things. The first one is that if the municipality is not performing its executive obligations based on any legislation, that's what it says. The MEC, in this case myself, will have to give directives to the municipality and explaining the nature of those failures and what steps must they take. But secondly, the MEC can, and it says to the extent necessary, I want to put it properly, implement, or it's not verbatim, but some of the responsibilities. And that's why it says to the extent necessary. And then it goes further to explain under what circumstances. And one of them is to deal with national standards, or so it actually explains. So there is no way that the MEC can abuse his power.
All right, MEC. On Friday,
yes,
a court reversed a decision to install a new speaker in the city of Tshwane because of the flawed process that was followed. Why should your process, or are you confident of your process withstanding any court challenge?
Yes, we are, and that's why we are confident of meeting the DA in court, and that's why I insisted on explaining what this section says, 139 subsection 1. And that's why I've explained that there's about 7 subsections there. They went straight to subsection 2, and they don't understand where the process is. And as a result, we have been debating with people who don't know what they're talking about. And that's why today I would issue a statement explaining exactly, so that there is no confusion. the residents of Tshwane must understand the phase that we are in, what does it mean in detail, because we have been receiving a lot of questions as well from the community, and in fact some of them have already started directing their service delivery related matters to myself and the Premier, because they think we've taken over, because that's how it has been projected.
All right. Thank you, MEC. We'll await the outcome
of
this particular process.